Will Bitcoin break past $113,000 or sink back to $107,000? Are Solana, Avalanche and Stellar upgrades the real altcoin catalysts? Can institutional demand and a Fed rate cut spark the next crypto rally? So we will be covering all these updates in this episode of Coin Monitor. So let's get started. Well, the crypto market is experiencing an improved performance following a bearish start to the week. So Bitcoin is up over 2% and is now trading above $110,000. So with this rally, the total crypto market cap has increased to $3.8 trillion and, could rally higher in the near term. But whereas Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency as we know, is trading flat to slightly positive around $4,411. Now, Bitcoin lost 6% of its value last month, with trades now wary of a red September ahead of crucial data like FOMC minutes. So talking about Bitcoin's underperformance, it can be linked to the outflow in spot Bitcoin ETFs. Because in August, spot Bitcoin ETFs saw a total outflow of $751 million, a stark reversal from July's $6 billion in inflows. So BTC trades at $110,380, eyeing resistance at $113,200 and potentially $117,399 if momentum holds. But with bearish market conditions, a correction could retest $107,000. Losing that level risks a drop towards $105,328 support. And now coming to Solana. So talking about Solana's Alpenglow upgrade, it gets 99% community support. If approved, Solana's transaction finality would drop from 12.8 seconds to approx 150 milliseconds upon implementation. Hence, Sol is up 2.5%, trading around $204. Now here, Bitcoin Cash also jumps 6.6%, trading around $569, beating the market's 1.87% gain after Tether clarified it won't freeze existing USDT contracts on BCH SLP, only halting new issuance from September 1. The less bad than feared move eased panic, sparking short-term relief buying. Now coming to another altcoin, Stellar. So Stellar's XLM gained 4.58% to $0.360 ahead of its September 3 Protocol 23 upgrade, and now enabling parallel execution in up to 5,000 TPS. Talking about SUI, it rose 3.36% to $3.28, driven by institutional adoption, BTC-linked DeFi expansion, and a technical breakout. And now coming to Avalanche's AVAX coin. So AVAX surged 4.27% to $24, fueled by Toyota's blockchain prototype and Vanex's $100 million fund, both reinforcing ecosystem credibility and institutional confidence. And now talking about Hedera's HPAR, it rose 3.23% to $0.2191, boosted by ETF speculation, tokenized stock integration, and a technical rebound. Well, Nasdaq spot ETF filing and BlackRock partnership rumors fueled this institutional buzz ahead of SEC's decision on Canary Capital's HPAR ETF on September 9. So do keep an eye. But what's in here for investors? So going forward, institutional demand remains the key driver as Bitcoin eyes potential upside ahead of the Fed's September 16 to 17 policy meeting. With markets pricing in an 87% chance of a 0.25% rate cut, investors anticipate monetary relief despite seasonal weakness. So all coins may follow BTC's lead if policy turns dovish. Now, near-term momentum hinges on Friday's US jobs data. Higher unemployment could intensify Fed pressure, bolstering risk-on sentiment across crypto markets. So that's all in this episode of Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, do log on to our website www.3versetv.com or scan the QR code.